Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. I just wanted to make a video of the Postmates delivery app. Basically, this is the main screen when you tap on the app to open it up. And on the top, you have the profile photo and go online button. And right here is you can refer your friends to sign up to drive and to deliver with Postmates in Los Angeles, and you'll receive a bonus for that, and they will also receive a bonus, either a bonus or guaranteed earnings. So you can hit view details here, and it's going to give you the breakdown of the referral bonus, exactly what's what the terms are. This is what that is. Let's go back. If you tap on share, you can share this referral code, referral and link with your contacts, and through either text or email or other messaging apps that you have installed on your phone. Let's tap on the profile photo. This is basically a feed right here. It's telling you that you can earn $90 for your next 10 deliveries guaranteed. Again, this is for the next day, from the next day, and then there's another one, bonus that says make $450 after you complete 180 deliveries in basically 10 days. If you tap on them, it'll tell you exactly the details of this particular bonus, when it starts, when it ends, the location of where it is. This is the map where you have to complete the deliveries, and that's basically what that is. Again, there's another bonus right here. When you tap on it, it tells you when it starts, when it ends, and the area where this is available, and that's that. And again, there's the invite link. Then you have the newsroom, which is basically a news feed. And deposits is basically the money that you've earned, and the deposit that have been made, the current balance that you have. These are all the all the deliveries that I've made on these particular days. And if you tap on one of them, it will tell you which deliveries you made and how much you made per delivery. Then go back, and then when you tap on the deliveries, you will then be able to see each individual delivery and the restaurant where you picked up from. And as you can see, this is Chick-fil-A, and some person gave me a $15 tip, which is amazing. That doesn't usually happen. And so these are all the deliveries that I've actually made. I haven't done a lot, but this is where all of them show up. And if you tap on it, it'll tell you exactly what it was, the wait time, the distance, and all the breakdown of how much you made, and the tip and everything. So that's pretty cool. And that is it. Now if you actually tap on your profile photo again, it's going to then take you to this screen where you have the prepaid card, which is sent to you by Postmates. When you sign up, they'll send you the card as well as the bag, the bag that you use to carry the food in. You can activate, when you get the new card, you can activate it here, or you can order a replacement. Vehicles, this is where you select the type of vehicle you're driving. Banking, obviously, is your banking information so that they can pay you. And you have preferences where do you want the deliveries to be automatically accepted or manual accept? I have it on manual. I want to tap on them to accept them. Blitz notifications is basically when there's a bonus going on in your area, or if there's like basically like a surge pricing. You can choose to be notified on your phone by push notifications, or you can do don't notify me. And then you have navigation, where you have Google Maps or Waze, whatever you have installed, you can select it, and the one that you prefer. And then you have the Help Center, which basically opens up a browser window, and then you have Sign Out. That's it. It's a very simple app, very simple to use. Let's go back. And now finally, when you want to go online and start accepting deliveries, you just tap on the Go Online. And that's it. You can then tap on Go Offline. And that's how you go offline. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.